We're going to start California's pandemic timeline March 4th, 2020. That's the day coroners announced the state's first COVID-19 death, a Rockland man who was a passenger aboard the Grand Princess cruise line. That same day, Governor Newsom also declared a state of emergency.
This is no longer isolated in just one part of our state.
A week later, on March 11th, the World Health Organization declares COVID-19 a pandemic.
We're deeply concerned both by the alarming levels of spread and severity.
Then, on March 19th, Governor Newsom issued a stay-at-home order and hospitals banned visitors for patients.
This will be probably the toughest week between this week and next week, and there'll be a lot of death, unfortunately.
On the 3rd of April, the CDC recommends everyone use a face covering. And on the 28th, Governor Newsom releases his first reopening plans.
And we think the most impactful thing we can do, short of going back to a stay-at-home order, is wearing face coverings.
Moving into June, on the 18th, masks are now made mandatory outside of the home for most settings. July 13th was a big milestone. 30 counties across the state were ordered to close all indoor businesses. Then on July 22nd, California surpassed New York State in confirmed coronavirus cases. Long lines and concerns over safety of in-person voting worry many during the November 3rd election.
Thank goodness the vaccine is here. It's happening.
Then, just in time for Christmas, vaccines begin in California on December 14th. First with the Pfizer vaccine, then on the 21st, the Moderna vaccine is delivered. Goodbye and good riddance to 2020. Unfortunately, January 18th, 2021, California becomes the first state to top 3 million coronavirus cases.
And we recognize as well our responsibility to do more and do better.
Moving into February, financial relief is on its way. On the 23rd, Governor Newsom signed a $7.6 billion coronavirus relief package into law. That next day, though, February 24th, another California milestone. 50,000 COVID-19 deaths are reported. And finally, in March, we've reached a year into the pandemic. Governor Newsom signs AB 86 into law to accelerate in-person instruction in schools. He also announces places like Disneyland and Major League Baseball could open as early as April 1st.
I can't even remember what the rules or the guidances were even a few months ago. That's how quickly everything moves with this pandemic.